Hello, this is Jackson Diaquino from Preferred Builders. This is one more house we have in Fitchburg, Massachusetts. It's a 3-family house. Second floor is everything was burned. We replaced all the joists and frame. We built closets and replaced stairways, moved doors and changed mostly everything in the house. We did a lot of frame like you see in the pictures. When it comes like this, all brand new carpet on the bedrooms, a granite on the kitchens, tile on the bathrooms, laminate floors, new paint, new ceilings, new vanities, everything brand new in the house, and everything by the code, like you guys can see in all the electric signs, exit signs, and everything's coming really nice. People really love this house. We put it in the market, and we closed the deal probably, I guess, if I remember right, in 5 days. We sell it and make like almost $100,000 from that one. It's a great house. People still love it. New siding, roofing is right there in downtown. Thanks for enjoying.